years of experience in PR. And so let me just give you an overview of PR. Well, what is exactly PR? Because people actually don't know much about PR. So it's more about relationship building. The most important thing is relationship building. So you give the target audience what they want, but you decide what messages you want to give to your target audience. So it's the most important thing is to build the brand trust, and awareness is created through PR. So, but there are so many startups, SMEs, etc. So how it helps the business. So, for instance, if it is a very just recently they started business, or they want to do some PR. So, first stage is always which increase the visibility and awareness of your products. So, for instance, a startup which has come with a new product, so nobody knows about it. Neither their target audience, neither the media knows about it. So the first stage is to increase the awareness. So how to increase the awareness? Where we actually help you in creating stories in the media, in different platforms, etc. So that's how it is done. Secondly, it also brand. And thirdly, we have to build strong relationships. So PR helps in building a strong relationship with the media, with the target audience, etc. So the most important thing in PR is basically to so I would say is building relationships. And also it's a long-term strategy. So there are PR is a short, there are few things which we can do in the short term also, and there are many which we can do in the long term. But it takes years and 1 year, 2 years to establish as a brand, because this is all about managing the reputation of the brand. So these are important things which is important. So any other questions and content is very important in PR. It should not, any content should not talk about only your brand. Okay, this I'm doing, but it should talk about the industry inside, what you can give it to the table, to the journalist. So those are important things one should consider.
Starting budget and their client profile she shared anyway, and any small case study if she can explain like how she has handled any one of the clients in where it has helped, because we have a lot of, I mean, I know basic knowledge of this, and sometimes even there is something called like negative journalism, positive journalism, and there's a lot of way that PR will really help in our business actually. Whatever she has shared is very good information she has shared. It is more of brand visibility and taking it to a next level in a healthy way than looking at ROI actually. So this is more like an investment, expenses investment. This is what I understand.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm just aware of a bit of things because all these things come under media agency activities.
So nice to connect with all of you guys, and especially Soumya had a wonderful presentation today. I just thoda sa main sun paya, but it was wonderful, and very happy to know that a lot of new faces, new people, new businesses connected together. I'm sure Vikas ji is very excited to get a lot of people inside.
Yeah, very much.
I understand that. So as Ritesh correctly said, it's a good time to that we connect each other at this point of time where everybody is struggling in the business, especially COVID, pre-COVID, and we are going to look at a very better time at coming forward. So एक ही suggestion था, Deepak, I think I put it in my other group also, कि ये advertising जो करना है WhatsApp में, वो एक दिन कोई भी आप दिन decide कर दो, ताकि बहुत सारे messages हर दिन नहीं आवे.
Am I audible?
Yeah.
Rahul here.
Hi,
yeah.
Rahul.
Yeah, hi. Basically, I am from IT industry, software industry from Pune, and
Okay.
literally in my area, it's something like this. There are 30 buildings, and in each building, there is one or two software companies available. Now,
Mm-hmm.
in such cases, in terms of competition
Mm-hmm.
and funding. So, coming back to the basic question, so if I want to increase my brand visibility,
Mm-hmm.
so maybe I may be a startup.
Mm-hmm.
I may be a 10-year-old startup,
Yeah, yeah.
and in these times, I may be struggling with the funds. But the
Mm-hmm.
two questions: one is increasing brand visibility with
Mm-hmm.
lower investment.
Yeah,
Secondly,
yeah.
fighting the competition with
Mm-hmm.
lower funds available to deliver the projects or operational cost, you may say.
Uh-huh.
You understood my question?
So you want to know how to increase the visibility vis-a-vis funding and etc. What you are talking about.
Yeah, in terms of PR. So how to do that with lesser investments?
Yeah, people actually think about that. Okay, I agree that their PR is sometimes is a costly, but we specialize in startups and we give a very nominal, I would say nominal cost to the startup, bootstrap startups. So because when you go to a bigger agency, obviously they will hire 2 lakhs, 3 lakhs. But we have specialized in this. So we give a very nominal cost, and also see what happens with PR is even in the funding, or in any case, creating visibility against your competitors. When you do PR, it actually helps you in this, even in the funding, because investors are also looking for a lot of stories which are different, and a lot of startups which are in the space. So when we do regular PR, then it actually helps because a lot of clients. I mean, I can't say that yeah I have created that, but yeah, it helps them indirectly. Tangible. I wouldn't say कि हाँ, because of this story they have got connected. Like for instance, a lot of times they search in 42 start. I mean, all these VC circles, etc. So if their story has happened, they always connect with you.
Nice, sir.
Uh,
Please go ahead. Please go ahead.
Madam, actually, my son is making one new project.
Mm-hmm.
So it's not very big project, but it is a new thing in the market. It will come.
Okay.
So he wants that funding right now. So some I am doing from my savings and all that.
Uh-huh.
And this PR, if he goes to media, PR, how PR can help him?
See, in terms of projects, since he has come launching this project, see what
Mm,
you can't expect funding immediately. It is a
mm.
long process, as I told you. So you have to keep on doing media, create media visibility in different platforms. Then it helps you, like indirectly helps you. I can't say that okay, you will get the funding. I
No,
mean,
1 minute, madam. Project is around 2.5 crore to 3 crores.
no, that is okay, sir. What I'm saying is, see, I can't say that we will get the funding. What I can guarantee is that I can create a media visibility which will help you indirectly. Maybe when you go to investors and pitch it, because pitch in their pitch deck, you have to present all those things. It is not that just because PR you will get the funding. So I can't say that. I can't
No,
guarantee
no,
that.
funding though we can arrange, but what I am saying that media is very costly, If one ad you give it goes in the lakhs in the newspaper.
1 minute. This is not ad. This is an article in maybe say your story, maybe in 42 or maybe any other platform. Okay. So this is a story. So we don't charge you for the stories.
Funding though we can arrange, but what I am saying that media is very costly, If one ad you give it goes in the lakhs in the newspaper.
1 minute. This is not ad. This is an article in maybe say your story, maybe in 42 or maybe any other platform. Okay. So this is a story. So we don't charge you for the stories.
So it comes in the regular newspapers or which magazines or something like that?
See, nowadays it's more of digital, so it will come more on the digital platform.
Okay, okay. So how we can contact you?
So you can take down my number, or I'll just message you my number.
Kindly. Then I'll be in touch with you. Then we can pass WhatsApp and you guide me.
Yeah, I'm Rakesh from Pune, interior designer.
क्या बोले रहे?
और we are in consulting also in properties from last 20 plus years. But अभी ये जो आपने बोला कि जो PR है, PR से क्या benefit हुआ? तो we are now in kitchens also from last 20 years.
Okay.
In modular kitchens. अभी COVID-19 की वजह से we have proposed कि cashback 100% concept for the kitchen platform.
Cashback 100%.
100% because of the COVID, क्योंकि लोग के पास अभी फंड्स नहीं है और लोग फंड्स लगाएंगे तो उनको रिटर्न्स भी आना चाहिए वापस. So myself I have kept some concept to get their funds again back to them. तो this is अभी ये जो PR सुना तो इससे मुझे ये कंसेप्ट अच्छा लगा कि we have to give some story articles.
Correct.
But it is good a part actually for
Some
the
background has to be created.
sub background. Yeah, it will click the product. It will
That's
click
what I'm
the
telling you.
brand.
These kind of ideas will trigger a lot of entrepreneurs
yes,
to go
lot of-
forward and start implementing.
Sure.
देखो क्या हो रहा है ना, ये ग्रुप का मकसद यही है कि somewhere everybody has got the same situation. थोड़ा आगे पीछे हो सकता है depending on the dynamics of different business.
Yes, लेकिन
but एक ग्रुप के जो हम लोग जो डिस्कशन कर रहे हैं, जो प्रेजेंटेशन कर रहे हैं, the basic objective is that we take away some points and we actually put it in our business so that we'll be coming up with new थोड़ा trajectory अपना change होगा आगे चल के we are going to be getting a lot of profits. So अपना
Thank you everyone.
Yeah, thank you, Somaya.
Thank you, Soumya ji, for your great conversation today with us. We really appreciate, and thank you everybody for joining. And I'm signing off,
Thank
brother.
you,
God
Vikas.
bless everybody.
Yeah,
God bless everybody.
thank you.
Be safe. Be
Thanks a lot.
safe. Bye.
Yeah, bye, sir.
Thank you all. It was a
Thank you,
pleasure.
Lokesh. Yeah, thank you.
It was pleasure meeting you all, guys. Thank you very much.
same
Let us,
here. Same
have
here.
a
Thank you.
Thank you.
positive note of
thank you.
yes.
Hi, Lokesh sir. Hope you will
Yes,
be
sir.
with us in
Yes,
continuation.
yes. Very much, Ritesh.
Yeah. And everyone will be with us in continuation in coming.
Yeah, thank you, everyone. Yeah.
Meetings.
Yeah.
Thanks, everybody.
Well, Deepak,